I have tomatoes. I need to put some stakes in. Some of them are falling down. So what I'm going to do is, I guess right about there, I'm going to take the metal things here. I'm going to twist. Well, I could put a little glue on it, like make sure they're nice and tight when I twist. And then I'm going to put in like so. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to now simply just, wrap it around so it grabs it, not tight, that it keeps it in there and they don't fall. I repeat for the same side. How can I get this nice and even? I think that looks like even right there. I was pretty close, not close enough. I take one. I could make this even by bending it, cutting it, and then like I said, I come over here, I go right about here, and I wrap. Now I started these about a good month plus ago, and they take real slow to grow indoors. And I got a light on here. I apologize if I disrupted that one. And I got a light on here, but the problem is the light's not super bright. So I got another light that does a great job. Don't transplant them. If you transplant them, you put them into shock. And we're gonna just get this one in there. Close it up so it can stay in there and not fall. There you go. Real gentle. I need to put some water and I need to finish off 3 more. So I get another stick. I need to cut 1 more wire. Let me try over here or over here. Oh, look, that was a better one. Almost perfect. And I grab my wire once again. I guess you all know this. And I simply just get the little one right about here and done. I don't have to waste any of anybody's time showing and talking about this. Everybody knows how to take care of veggies. Now I'm going to show you another tomato that's doing good in a separate jar. This is a special tomato. And this is another one I need to take care of. Look how nice that one is, separate. So is it good to grow tomatoes like this, like that, in a group, or single like this? This was 2, I only had 1. Well, it all depends on you, how you like to grow things. I've given a shot in a number of ways. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, this slid down. Maybe a little tape will hold it up into place, but you get the idea of how to get them to stay.